We are going to the Hoover Dam. We lost my wallet, so we couldn't get into the campground. We found it though.
I thought it was under the couch, and I thought when he pushed the slide in, the wallet fell out. So I was in total panic mode. I was like, that's it, we're done, we're going home. But we found it.
So we found it, and we're on our way now. We're staying at Lake Mead. Look out the window, see Lake Mead.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
And then we're on our way to the Hoover Dam. We have a tour.
We're going on a dam tour.
I can't wait to use a damn bathroom.
I can't wait to get a damn shirt. Oh yeah.
So Lake Mead and Hoover Dam for today. And then tomorrow is, you know, the Vegas.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun.
So, all right. So stand by for Hoover Dam videos and dam pictures.
Damn right.
All right.
I can't see it.
You'll get videos when we're leaving.
Ooh, look at the bridge. It did not seem that big up there, did it? Wow, that's so cool. So cool.
That was a
Oh yeah, it's a whole group of them.
Ferrari.
I don't think so. I don't think
Alright guys, anywhere along the railing, find your favorite spot. You can go to the very end, you can stay.
These are those vents on the damn wall.
Yeah.
It is hot. And also be careful, it's like super slippery. Oh my gosh. We're looking out of the dam.
dam pours over. Christy's in dam heaven. She got her dam shirt. And now we're going to Lake Mead for dinner. So hopefully it's pretty good. It's pretty neat. This place is, hold on a second. Let's see how to do this. You can see the white. The white is the original water line. And that's how far the lake has came down. So hopefully you can see that. All right. We'll let you know how dinner is on the water. Go ahead.
Oh my god. I didn't even do nothing.
Break it up. I don't think I'm going to take it out of your hand.
Hi. You what? You gotta come closer, bro. You gotta grab it, bro. You gotta grab it. You gotta grab it.
Watch your phone.
You should break it up.
That's what I said.
Break it up.
You grab it. Here.
There you go. Look at him. It's so funny.
You gotta grab it. I'm holding the water. I can't. You gotta grab it. Here. Grab it. Are you? Here.
Christy, you're going to fall in.
Oh, I'm gonna grab it. Oh my gosh. Here. No. Don't touch him. They don't want to.
Water feels great.
He grabbed it.
That guy.
How do you grab it? I don't want to touch the catfish because it's
His things are up.
I told you, Mama.
Viva Las Vegas.
What?
I said, Viva Las Vegas. So we're killing time waiting for tonight to go to dinner and check out the rest of Vegas when it's a little bit cooler. And Christy made me come to this store where they sell all this metal art. Just look at all the metal art and look at all the donkeys. There is donkeys, there is stuff everywhere. And it's all metal. So I'm probably going home with some metal art today. I already see it happening. All right, let's see what I go home with. Well, like I said, Christy's shopping for metal art, and look what we walked away with. You know, because you're in Arizona or Nevada, so you have to, right?
You need a cactus. Look at that cactus.
Everybody needs a good cactus. So we're heading down to Vegas, down to the Strip for dinner and to walk around. We told Hailey that we were going to make up for her birthday dinner while we were in Vegas, and I'm sure she's not listening right now. But yeah, we're going out to dinner for her birthday tonight.
This place is my idea. Hopefully she likes it.
So we're gonna go ahead and head down there now, walk around for a little bit. Our dinner reservations are like 6:15, so we're gonna go check it out and watch all the street performers. Because yesterday we went down and the kids kind of got freaked out, so we left.
Yeah, some of the homeless people were pretty scary.
Yeah, you can definitely tell we're not city people, and my kids have never been in a city.
They're sheltered.
Knott's Island's wild compared to the city, you know?
Not really.
No, not at all.
Oh, I know. Nothing happens where we live.
But so that's what the plan for tonight. We're gonna go down and do that. Go get dinner. Walk around Fremont Street. Kenzie wants to do the zip line.
So we might do the zip line. I'm going to try to get everybody because it's 4 lines. Wouldn't it be awesome to get all 4 of us to
Yeah, that'd be great.
Never said
I
check
definitely.
out the sphere?
I'd like to do the sphere and then maybe the Ferris wheel.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
So hopefully it turns out good and we have a good time tonight and no altercations with people around there. Cause,
I'm sure we'll be fine. We were fine yesterday. They're just kind of jabbering to themselves.
Asking me for money. Oh, we didn't take your cactus out of here.
Oh yeah, my cactus. Oh wait, what else do I have? We were supposed to go to Area 51, and then when we put in the GPS, we realized it's 2.5 hours away, so we didn't go today. But we got Pedro with us, so maybe he will show up tonight.
Maybe he'll be on the Ferris wheel with us.
Maybe I could stand in one of those little circles, do a little Pedro dance, and get paid. Oh!
They rent those.
Anyways.
All right, well, hopefully we have a good night. We'll let you know.
All right, bye. Peace.
It looks like a Pac-Man frog, but it's like
when you park a mile and a half away from your car and you have to walk back at 9 o'clock at night. Well, that's a wrap for Vegas. We got to take Hailey down to the Rainforest Café for her birthday dinner and walked around a little bit. We seen the water show at Bellagio, which was really cool. Checked out the Nike store. Got a new outfit that you guys are going to see.
Oh yeah, for daddy.
And then we tried to go on the Ferris wheel, the high roller, I think it's called. But it was like 25 people to a ball, I guess. And it had like an open bar in the ball. I didn't feel comfortable taking the kids to that. So, but hey, if we were here by ourselves,
Oh yeah.
oh, this place would be a blast. But I don't know. I guess it's cool during the day to take kids around, but
It's so hot.
it's so hot during the day you don't want to go. And
Yeah.
then at nighttime, you don't really want to take kids down there. So, but
It was so cool to check everything out, get the lights.
yeah, I got to see the lights and the sphere, and
Yeah.
I don't know. It was cool. It was definitely neat. It was an experience. I would like to come back without kids. I think it'd be a blast.
Yeah.
And now we're headed to California. So stay tuned for that one.
Yeah. This one's for Kenzie.
Yeah, this was the state I said I was not going to go to on our trip, and we're going. So,
But
1 mile, turn right before the south point.
so it should be a good time, and we have some plans already set up for this afternoon and tomorrow. So
Yeah.
stay tuned and see what we get into.
peace.